how to start forex trading for free without capital. You don't need money to start forex trading because there is free money available for you to start forex trading even if you don't have capital to start forex trading yet. So this video shows you how to start forex trading with free money without you investing $1. You'll use the free money to practice all the important aspects of forex trading. You will use the free money that I'll show you right now to start practicing all the most important aspects of forex trading and learn how to start making profit from forex trading before you start thinking of investing your hard-earned money into the forex market. If not, you are going to lose all your money if you invest your hard-earned money in forex as a pure beginner. So don't start forex trading with real money. So how do we do this? Okay, it's simple. Simply pick up your phone and open this app. If you don't have this app, the name is called MetaTrader 5. You can download it from your Play Store or App Store. Simply install MetaTrader 5 and click on the trade dash at the top right side. Click on the plus button and click on the Meta Quote Limited. Right here, you have option to fill your name, second name, date of birth, phone number, and the rest of that. But the last part, don't edit it. And now check this box and click on the box that says I accept and click on register. It is actually very simple. Now, the moment you click on register, you get to this page right here. See your login password and the rest of that, your name that you imputed. Then you simply go ahead and click on done so that you get to the next page. So you see right there, you have 100,000 US dollars free of charge to start practicing. Now, if you check the chart section or the trade section, you see that the $100,000 is actually right here for you. Some of your coaches that are billing you money to learn forex trading actually use something like this. And now you see this is the charts page where you have, so in this section right now, I'll show you how to trade any pair that you want. If you open the chart and you see where this place that shows ERUSD, you select any pair you want to trade. You might get a signal. Someone will say that you should trade a particular pair. You select quotes. You want to add the pair. You click on the plus button at the top right and type the name of the pair. Let's say XAUUSD is the pair I want to add to this chart so that I can start trading it. Now let's get back to chart. Now you see that XAUUSD is already here. So with this format, you add any pair you want to trade inside your MetaTrader 5 and you start using it to practice forex trading. Okay, so the next thing you need to know is, because you know in the part 2 of this video we learned uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. And now you see right here, this particular section, we check the time frames. In the 1 minute time frame right now, you see that this is an uptrend. And in the 5 minutes time frame, at the edge is actually an uptrend too. And then you can go ahead. The moment you just tap your phone screen, you can change the time frame, whether 15 minutes, 1 minute, and the rest of that. So when you hear I'm using 1 minute time frame, I'm using 4 hours time frame, I'm using 30 minutes time frame, you just tap on your screen. When you open chart, you see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month, and the rest of that. It's just that simple. Now, if you want to place trade, click on this circle that there's clock inside. You see buy limit, and then you see stop loss and take profit. You see right here the buy limit or sell limit. You place it where you want to sell from. If you sell limit you place it where you're starting to trade from. Please remember that this is not how to make profit. This is showing you how to set a trade or trade with free account. Okay, Yeah, so you see the stop loss is set, and now when you hear set your take profit, you click on the TP and drag this. As you're dragging it, you are seeing how much you are going to gain if the market goes in your favor. Remember, we are not making analysis right here, and you don't just open the chart and place a trade without understanding whether you should buy or sell or the right place to enter the trade. Okay. Yeah. So after you place the trade, you click on place trade. It take you to this page where you have the option to still edit those things you imputed in case you want to. Then you click on place trade. It's as simple as that. So right now you have seen how to get the free money, how to trade, and the rest of that. So that time that we set the sell limit, it got there and the trade started on its own. This means that even if you are not online and this trade gets to that your take profit, you take profit. And if it gets to your stop loss, your money, you stop losing money. Okay. So right here, you see the pen tool in case you want to correct anything or minimize the time your stop loss or take profit, you can do that. And then if you want to close the profit, you can close it. And if you're wondering how I'm seeing this option, the moment you get to this page, just drag your phone screen at the place you have the trades, and then it will show. Okay, so you see if you're losing money, you're going to see it here. So you have just seen how to start all your practice in Forex trading. This Forex trading free money that you have access to right now, if you follow this step, it is called demo account. It is not real account. It is free money that you can use to start practicing everything about Forex trading until you understand it, until you master how to actually make profit with your demo account. Now, you can now use your real account, deposit money in it, and practice all that you have already learned, because Forex trading for real is not gambling. Okay, so ensure to understand how to trade with free money before you now deposit money to start your Forex trading. I hope this helps you to stop giving excuse that what you need to start is capital, because if you don't have the knowledge, what do you trade? Even if you have the capital, you're just going to blow up all your entire life savings if you put it without mastering how to trade for free. Yes. However it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Remember to hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload I'll make in this regard.